Today's question is 11 raised to the power of x plus 12, that is equal to 12 raised to the power of x plus 11. We need to find x value here. Let's see how to solve. Before go for the solution, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and give your valuable support to me. And let's come to the solution. The left hand side, 11 raised to the power of x plus 12, it is in the form of a raised to the power of m plus n. So we can write this as a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n. So when bases are same, we can add the exponents. Use this property here and we can write this expression, our given expression, as 11 raised to the power of x times 11 raised to the power of 12. Similarly, the right hand side also, it is in the form of a raised to the power of m plus n. We can write this as 12 raised to the power of x times 12 raised to the power of 11. So if you divide both sides by 12 raised to the power of x and here 12 raised to the power of x, then here 12 raised to the power of x and here 12 raised to the power of x gets cancelled. So we left only this part. And observe here we have 11 raised to the power of x over 12 raised to the power of x. These two terms, it is in the form of a raised to the power of m over b raised to the power of m. We can write this as a over b whole raised to the power of m, isn't it? Use that property here. We can write this as 11 over 12 whole raised to the power of x times 11 raised to the power of 12, that is equal to 12 raised to the power of 11. Now again both sides divide by 11 raised to the power of 12. Then we can cancel these two terms, which is simply to solve. Now we need to find the x value here, but x is in the exponent. Whenever x is in the exponent, to bring it down, we need to introduce the logarithm here. Then only we can bring that x to down. So for that, I am going to take the log on both sides. If you take log on both sides, the left hand side, it is in the form of log of a raised to the power of m. We can write this as m times log a. So we can write this as x times log 11 over 12. Log 11 over 12, it is in the form of log a over b. Division form. So whenever we have a division form, we can write as in subtraction form, which is log a minus log b. Isn't it? Use that property here. We can write this as log 11 minus log 12. Similarly, right hand side also, it is in the form of log of a over b. So we can write this as log 12 raised to the power of 11 minus log 11 raised to the power of 12. Now observe only right hand side term. So each and every term, it is the form of log of a raised to the power of m. What is the formula? M times log a. So same like that, we can write this as whatever in the power, it comes and stay in front. So we have a power 11 times log 12 minus, here we have power 12. So that comes front, 12 times
log 11.
The left hand side we have x times log 11 minus log 12. So now what we have to do? To find the x, we need to get rid of this term, isn't it? So that's why we have to do divide both sides with the same term, which we have log 11 minus log 12. So we need to divide both sides by the term. If we cancel these two terms, we left only x here. This is our x value, but we need to simplify a little bit more. So for that, let's recall log 12 value and log 11 value. We know that log 10 the value is 1. Log 11 value is 1.041. And then log 12 the value is 1.079. Let's substitute in our x value. So x equal to 11 times log 12. So 11 times log 12 the value is 1.079. So 1.079 minus 12 times log 11. Log 11 the value is 1.041 divided by log 11 the value is 1.041 minus log 12 the value is 1.079. After doing the subtraction, we are going to get this as minus 0.038. So the denominator the value is minus 0.038. So now you need to do multiplication of this 1.079 times 11 and then here 1.041 times 12. So now I am going to explain a shortcut trick how to do multiply by 11. First I will show one example how to do. Suppose if we have a number 234 times 11. So whatever the given number, first you write the first number as here and then last number you just write it here 4. This is our first step. The second step is you need to add these two numbers. What we have 4 plus 3, which is 7. So 7, write it here and then you need to add this 3 and 2. which is 5. You just write it here 5. That's it. So 234 times 11, the value is 2574. Let's take one more example. Suppose if we have a number 4532 times 11. So what is our first step? First we had write this first number and last number as your first and last. And then starting from right to left, first you need to add these two numbers. 2 plus 3, which is 5. And then 3 plus 5, which is 8. 5 plus 4, which is 9. So 4532 times 11, the result is 49,852. Like this, simply we can do times 11. Now come to our question. So here also you have to do times 11. First what you have to do, first copy the first and last number as it is, as your first and last numbers. Then from right to left you just add 9 plus 7, which is 16. So 6 take in your number and 1 carry to here. And then you just start from 7 to 0. 7 plus 0, which is 7, and carry 1, which is 8. 8, write it here. And then you have to start from 0 to 1. 0 plus 1, which gives only 1. So we are done with all the numbers. After 3 numbers, we have a decimal place. That's why here also after 3 places, you place the decimal point here. So 1.079 times 11, the result is 11.869. Now come here. 1.041 times 12. So this 12 also we can write it as in terms of 11, that is 11 plus 1. Now if you open the bracket, then you'll get 1.041 times 11 and then plus 1.041. Now first we do multiplication by 11. So what you have to do, first and last numbers you write it as it is, as your first and last, and then add the numbers. 1 plus 4, which is 5. 4 plus 0, which is 4. 0 plus 1, which is 1. So after 3 numbers we have a decimal place. So after 3 numbers you have to place a decimal point. So 1.041 times 11, the result is 11.451 plus 1.04. You have to you need to add 1.041. After adding these all, then you are going to get 12.492. This is the result of 12 times 1.041. So you just simply write this as here 12.492 and here 11.869. Now let's do the subtraction of these two numbers. 11.869 minus 12.492, which gives minus 0.623 over minus 0.038. So here minus gets cancelled. After 3 digits we have a decimal point here. That means the numerator we can write it as 623 divided by 1000, which is same as 0.623. Similarly 0.038 also we can write it as 38 divided by 1000. So after get these two cancelled, so we left only 623 divided by 38. After doing this division we are going to get 16.39 something, so which is nearly equal to 16.4. So this is the x value. So what we learn here, we learn how to simplify this. If x is in the exponent, how can you simplify? And also we learn a shortcut trick how to multiply by 11, and finally we got the result x as 16.4. That's it. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.